welcome back to Living 757. You know, guys, I'm so happy because when I see Karen from Cooking from the Heart, that means something yummy is coming my way. How are you, Karen?
I am so happy to be here, and I'm in such a great mood. It's summertime.
I know,
Yay.
and you bring us like a summer dessert, so I can't wait to tell me what you're gonna prepare for us.
Well, today we are making little teeny tiny mini cheesecakes. So there's not a whole lot of guilt involved when you eat them because they're so small.
You know what? I agree with you because sometimes cheesecake can be like a huge to finish just one person.
Yeah.
So these little tiny ones, I love them.
Just a little bite. You know, it's like 4 calories each. Right?
4 calories? I'm not gonna feel guilty after 4 calories. Wait, how about if I eat 3 or 4?
You start subtracting. You start subtracting.
Now that is not good math for me. But anyways, so let's go through.
These are great for the summer because you can make them with berries. So any, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Today we're using raspberries and blackberries.
Okay.
Super simple, and it's one of those things that's easy and impressive. So I'm going to start out with 8 ounces of cream cheese, just a regular old block of cream cheese.
Okay,
I'm going to dump that in the mixer.
Cream cheese is super good.
My mixer, which by the way is older than some of the crew members. I'm not going to say which ones.
So let me see. That's okay.
Yeah, you just
is
put it
creamy.
in there. Yeah, it's just cream cheese, just
So
regular.
now, before we start this segment, we were talking about this beautiful blender that she has right here. I'm not gonna tell you guys the whole story because I know my producer Melissa. She's not gonna like it.
Yeah. Well, anyways.
Exactly.
So you're gonna whip it up until it gets nice and creamy.
How long you need to put it on the blender, Karen?
I don't know, like 30 seconds or so, not very long. You can see it just start to kind of cream up.
Oh, I see. And it's
then,
like a whipped cream.
Yeah. And then
Yummy.
you're gonna add to that some powdered sugar. I got half a cup of powdered sugar. Now, ideally, you would sift this before, but since, we're doing this kind of on TV and quickly, I'm just dumping it all in, and it's fine. And the only reason you would sift it is to get the lumps out.
Okay.
All
So
right.
you put some.
You want to start slow.
Okay. Yes, because then it's gonna be. Okay. It looks pretty easy so far.
Super easy.
What I love about your recipes always is that they are very easy to fix and very convenient, like with just few ingredients. I love that.
That's how I roll, because nobody has time today. Everyone's so busy, but you want to do something that's quick, easy, tastes good, kid-friendly, and it looks fancy. I love how these look. All right, that is pretty mixed in. So to that, I'm going to add some lemon zest.
So lemon, very healthy.
So you're gonna. Woo, I'm just gonna slide that. Well, I guess I'm not gonna slide that.
So you're gonna add some lemon.
Just lemon zest, and that's just gonna be the yellow part. You don't want to get too deep. These microplanes are really good for that. And just maybe about a teaspoon. You could even leave this out if you don't like the lemony flavor. You can totally leave that out.
Just for flavor.
I'm gonna just kind of do that on top so you can see it a little bit better. But just the very top yellow part of that is coming out.
I love it.
And then, if you want to add a little bit more flavor, we're just gonna cut this in half. Give it a little tiny bit squeeze.
Some juice.
Yeah, a little bit of juice. If you squeeze upright, the seeds stay on top of the lemon, so you don't have to worry about straining them out.
Okay, got it.
I'm gonna close that back and give it another little whirl.
Okay, so try to mix everything up again. This is very good for to be outside with your friends, invite your kids. And even the kids can help you to do that.
The kids can totally help with this. This is such an easy thing to do. We are just about done. The great thing I'm gonna do with these is I'm gonna put it into these little phyllo pre-made little pie crusts. Look at those.
So do you make these or you already buy them? Because this is so convenient also. Like, I don't know if I have to make them and put it in the oven.
I would love to say that I make them, but nope, they come like this in the box.
Good, I love it.
You just pull them out and
my
they're very
kind of
fancy. Then I'm just gonna put this in a piping bag. I've already got some in here from earlier, but we're just gonna add a little bit more.
And that's our cream cheese.
Yep, it's the cheesecake filling.
Okay.
Another good thing you can do with this is with strawberries, you can hollow them out and then just stick the little nozzle of your piping bag in there and stuff the strawberries.
I love it.
So I'm just gonna push it down, and here I'm gonna get you to help me.
Okay, so you're gonna do that part, and I'm gonna do the final part. We have here some glaze in the fruit, so you're gonna. Ooh, that looks pretty.
Yeah. So you're just gonna pipe a little bit in there.
So then I'm gonna put the final touch. I wash my hands before the segment.
Yes.
So
you
just
put
to
your
tell the
fruit on
viewers.
top and any berry that you like.
Look at how cute.
And then in there I have, it's just apricot jam that I microwave for about 15 seconds to give it that nice little glaze.
Oh, this is so cute. Can you see there? Yes. And it's so easy, Karen. I love it.
So easy.
So where can people find more recipes like these for the summer and for any occasion?
Well, you can go to my website, cookingfromtheheart.tv. Check me out on Facebook, on Instagram. Just Google it. Google me, Google it, everything.
Google Karen, Google Cooking from the Heart, and look at this. If we can have a close-up of this, beautiful right here. So I'm gonna be,
there you go.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna finish them all because I know the crew, they wanna try also. And now while we finish here with Karen, and we're gonna try this delicious dessert, let's see what's Ashley. Ashley, what's going on next?